In Python, set intersection returns a set with all the elements sets have in common. Set A has 1, 2. Set B has 2 and 3. Let's print A dot intersection B. If we run this code, we'll see a set with just 2. This is because 2 is the element that the two sets have in common. Set intersection also has an operator to achieve intersection functionality. We can print A ampersand B and run that code, and we'll see the set with just 2, as 2 is the element in common between the two sets. This functionality is identical to just using the function. You can also do set intersection on multiple sets. Let's add set C with 2 and 4. Then we'll print A dot intersection of B and C. If we run this code, we'll see the set with just 2, as that is the shared common element between all three sets. In Python, set difference returns a set with elements unique to the original set. Let's see it in action. Set A has 1, 2, and 3. Set B has 1 and 2. If we do print A dot difference of B and run the code, we'll see the elements unique to A is just 3. Let's do another example. Print B dot difference A. What elements are unique to B? If we run the code, we'll see an empty set, meaning no elements are unique to B. Set difference also has an operator, meaning we can achieve much the same effect with less typing. We can do print A minus B and run this code, and we'll see that the only element unique to A is 3, which is the same result we got when we wrote out difference completely. We can also do set difference between multiple sets. We'll keep sets A and B. We'll also add set C that holds 2 and 3. If we do print A dot difference of B and C and run this code, we'll see an empty set, as A has no element that is not also in either B or C. A quick note, you can still do this with the operator form. You would just write A minus B minus C and still get the same result. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.